Hello, and welcome to my fourth winter forecast. Looking at our temperature anomalies for November, we can see that models are starting to agree on a colder east and warmer west, a major change from previous runs. December seems relatively unchanged, with near to below average temperatures in the east and warmth in the west. A few snow events are possible in this month in the east. January seems to bring a pattern flip with cold in the north and warmth in the south. However, I believe the model underestimates the distance of this cold, and I would not be surprised to see below average down to the central states. February looks very similar, suggesting a strong polar jet being consistent through these months. Many locations in the northern half may see record-breaking cold. While November looks colder in the east, models continue to suggest dry in the east and wet in the west. This does not, however, rule out any early season snow from making a quick appearance. December looks to bring the first accumulating snow of the year for many, especially the northwest and northeast. Many places in this month look to have significant potential for major snow events, especially late in the month. January looks wet nationwide and will likely be very active. Due to this, many places will likely see above average snow totals for the winter, especially through coastal storms and clipper storms. For February, the southeast may have an early spring, with well above normal precipitation and above average temperatures. For the rest of the country, things are relatively unchanged, and a few major storms forming is likely. Now for our overall forecast. If you are in this region, you can expect well above average snowfall with frequent cold shots and coastal storms. There is also potential for some mixing events early and late in the season. In this next region, you can expect a mild and wet winter with decreased snow and cold events. However, there is potential early in the season for some significant cold and snowflakes. In this next region, you can expect a near-average winter with above-average precipitation. Temperatures will fluctuate between above average and below average and multiple points throughout the winter, and numerous mixed precipitation events are likely. In this region, you can expect slightly above average precipitation and below average temperatures. I do expect the Great Lakes to be active this year, with numerous snowstorms throughout the winter. In this region, you can expect near to below average snowfall and below average temperatures. I believe there will be more coastal storms this year rather than storms that track inland. A few major storms are possible, but not as many as last year. In our next region, you can expect a cold and snowy winter, with not as many large snowstorms, but frequent clipper systems causing loads of snow, rain, and ice, along with frequent polar vortex dips. In this region, the Rocky Mountains and Northwest, you can expect a near-average temperature and above-average snowfall. Winter, with plenty of moisture in place, but frequent temperature swings. The effects of the drought should be reduced after this season, with plenty of snowmelt and rain. In our next region, the Southwest, you can expect a warm and dry winter with a persistent western ridge and jet stream keeping moisture and cold air at distance. The only area that may see significant snow in this winter in this region is mountainous New Mexico. In our second to last region, the Plains, you can expect a milder than usual winter with near-average precipitation. A few mixed precipitation storms bringing ice, sleet, and snow may come through this area, especially in January. In the last region, you can expect a wet and mild winter, with frequent warmer temperatures and rain. Snow chances in this region are highest writhing interior Washington and Oregon, but I do not expect above average snowfall due to mild temperatures. Thank you for watching.